So I built a power meter and an SWR meter from an online forum called rccams.com or rc-cams.com, and just uses an Arduino Mega and a RF sensor board in there and a RF directional coupler, and I put some labels on here to remind me whether I'm measuring forward bias or reverse bias. I have my Mobius cam and a 30 dB attenuator right here, then an SMA adapter type of device. So I'll hook up my Mobius backpack, because it's the only FPV transmitter I have right now. And I have a battery and a cable and some jumpers going to a JST connector so I can power my Mobius docking station. Select VSWR, hit select to start, and to measure forward power, hit run, and it'll say switch to reverse power, and you just have to swap your TX and your antenna over. But even with this 30 dB attenuator on here, this transmitter still overheats and will shut down. So you can't run this while you're swapping it around. It's not good on it. And power on your Mobius and give it a couple seconds to start transmitting. You can even set up a little FPV screen to ensure this thing's working, but it's flashing yellow. So hit select, and this comes out to about 1.4 SWR, which isn't bad for a circularly polarized antenna. So now I have my helical hooked up, power up my Mobius, just making sure that the frequency is correct and my attenuation, there's an attenuation table that you have to set up in your config H. It usually comes on the data sheet with your attenuator. Certain frequencies will cause it to attenuate more or less. So that's a 2.3 to 1 SWR. Not the best, so I've got to work on something to get this thing up and running.
Fatality.